Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you how to update graphics driver Windows 11 quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right click on the Start icon at the bottom left of your screen, then select Device Manager from the menu. This opens the tool that manages all your hardware devices. Step 2. In Device Manager, find Display Adapters and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. This shows all the graphics hardware installed on your PC. Step 3. Locate your graphics card in the list, then right-click on it. This gives you options to manage your graphics driver and settings. Step 4. Click Update Driver from the menu. This starts the process to check for the latest driver updates from Windows. Step 5. Choose Search automatically for updates. This lets Windows find the most recent driver online and ensures your graphics run smoothly. Step 6. If an update is available, download and install it. If not, Windows will tell you your driver is already up to date, keeping your system optimized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.